Here's the new DeWalt Atomic 20 volt max multi-head drill driver. It's the DCD 803B. So this is available tool only, so it doesn't come with the battery, but keep it standing up on end, put a battery on it. It does come with a belt hook. Before I get into the attachments, I want to tell you about the drill itself. It's a 2-speed gearbox. It comes with a drill mode. When we turn the clutch here, we can go to drill mode, drill only, or we have 15 clutch settings to adjust exactly for what we need. And before we even put any attachments on this, it actually does have a magnetic 1/4 inch bit holder in the front. So 1/4 inch bit holder there, light in the bottom to illuminate whatever you might be working on. And what else on this? Plenty of rubber overmold. This is part of the Atomic series, so something you've been familiar with for compact tools. This isn't gonna be your powerhouse, but this could be a really good workhorse. Now, what makes it so cool is this. It comes with a collection of different heads. And so these heads attach to the tool. And what's really nice is this has an all metal attachment point here. So no flimsiness, no slipping, very solid lockup. And I'll go head by head to show you what you have. As you have your basic, right here, your basic 1/4 inch bit holder. This guy, just like you would on an impact driver, it has locks that bit in so it can't pull out. Pull that out. Now to install it, it's pretty simple. You just simply click it on. Simple as that. And so now I can adjust my clutch setting to the right setting for the fastener, put my bit in, and now I'm ready to work. Very, very simple. Being that it is a 2-speed gearbox, I can also adjust my speed as well. Now, pop that off, very simple. You can put that back on the included holder, and I get a right angle attachment. Same thing, I got all metal gearbox up inside here, all metal here, attaches on, locks on, and I can position this in any direction here. So I can go sideways, I can go down, I can go up. And as you can imagine, this will get you into those complicated, hard to reach places. And again, we have a magnetic bit holder here. It's not locked in, it's just held in by a magnet, which is okay for some applications. Now, the versatility begins to be seen here in that this right angle adapter allows me to attach any of these last 3 attachments. So I can go ahead, if I have to do a hole, I can add the chuck. And so now I can adjust this for whatever direction I might need to reach in somewhere where I normally couldn't get a regular tool. I can do it with this. Pretty simple, just pull back and adjust my angle. So any of these other heads will fit on here. So going through the heads yet further, you just saw the chuck. Now this is a 1/2 inch all metal chuck. So this will grip onto any up to 1/2 inch shank bit. And again, we can extend that chuck out, chuck up, whatever we need to chuck up. All metal. And again, I can adjust my speed and clutch to match my application. So that comes off there. Take my bit out, store this. And last but not least is we have this tool for offset that allows me to, sometimes you might have a fastener up in a corner where you really can't get at it. You don't have a lot of clearance to actually get your tool all the way in there. And now you can see I can put this into something really close and still be able to get that. And another nice feature is I can rotate this to wherever I might best use it. So let your mind run with that, what you can do with this set. The other nice thing is it comes with this nice bit chuck holder here, so all my different attachments come on this nice holder. It does come with a belt hook. If I take that belt hook off, it actually has hanging points here too, so I can go ahead and put this on my pegboard or mount it on my wall, so it's right at hand, right where I need it. So, who's this for? And I thought about this for a moment, like who would really need a tool like this? And you know, I don't know if you've ever put together IKEA furniture or cabinets that come flat packed, or even just some regular cabinetry. Sometimes you have to get into some tight places. Sometimes you might have to add a hole where there wasn't a hole in the smallest place. This is that tool for that. This is not going to be your heavy duty drill. This is going to be your mid duty, doing simple tasks like furniture assembly, cabinetry, and things of that nature. It's going to be an ideal tool for that because really you're replacing multiple types of tools with one simple tool that's going to actually handle most of the tasks you could probably throw at it. Good thing is, it comes with a 3-year warranty, goes for $229 at your favorite retailer, and it's available now. If you like this video and found it useful, give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, do that so you don't miss out on our next video. And as always, Thanks for watching.